Unlocking the power of AI with Bhagavad Gita. Online earning with Gita GPT. Gita GPT is an AI-powered tool that generates insights from the Bhagavad Gita, providing users with answers and guidance for various life situations. It utilizes OpenAI and Versal Edge functions to generate over 71,108 Updesh from the ancient scripture. It is a valuable resource for seekers, mentors, coaches, and philosophy enthusiasts. Pros of the Gita GPT. Number 1. It offers versatile guidance for personal growth, spiritual development, and enlightenment. Number 2. It provides inspiration and wisdom from the Bhagavad Gita, one of the most revered scriptures in Hinduism. Number 3. It leverages the power of AI to generate novel and relevant insights from the ancient text. Cons of Gita GPT. Number 1. It may not be able to capture the full depth and complexity of the Bhagavad Gita. Number 2. It may not be able to answer all the questions or doubts that users may have. Number 3. It may not be suitable for users who prefer a more traditional or authentic approach to studying the scripture. How to earn online money with Gita GPT. Number 1. You can create a website or a blog where you share the insights generated by Gita GPT with your audience. Number 2. You can create a YouTube channel or a podcast where you discuss the insights generated by Gita GPT with your guests or listeners. Number 3. You can create a course or a book where you teach the insights generated by Gita GPT to your students or readers. Number 4. You can create a service or a product where you offer personalized guidance based on the insights generated by Gita GPT to your clients or customers. Thanks for watching my channel.